Today I am going to unpack my Temu haul. We are going on a new cruise and it's like an epic cruise. We are going to Japan! Yay! Yes. And that Temu haul is actually for that cruise. Okay, bag inside the bag. What is it? Honestly, I don't remember what this is. Oh yes, this new, you know how, like, I always take with me this pillow, the traveling pillow, the big and bulky, and when I'm not using it, I have to clip it somewhere on my backpack or on a suitcase somewhere. So I always worry that it picks up all the airport dirt and then I put my face on it. I don't like that, but I use it because I use it to sleep in an airplane. And like I said, our travel is going to be very long. So I ordered this turtleneck. They call it turtleneck, yeah. Okay, it has the okay, good. I wasn't sure how. So yeah, I ordered this one. It seems quite soft and comfortable. Let's see. yes. And it's nice. It holds. It's like I'm not falling. So yeah, it feels nice and it actually feels much better. And it has like a protective, like a mesh here. And it packs in this small bag, so I don't need to carry it all around the airport, picking all the dirt, you know, like, and it's not bulky. Let's see if I can put it back. Let's see if it survives the challenge. Yes. Okay, so I did. Yay, I did it. So see, it packs in a bag like that. And this I can attach to my, I don't need to put it inside my like backpack. I can attach it, but it's much safer. Yes, I'm loving it. Let's see what else. Still keep coming. More bags, but I don't remember what is it. Yes, I remember. It's shoe bags. See? So we always pack our shoes just in a, regular plastic bag from the store, basically. Whatever, like grocery store you have. Yeah, so this time I decided to pack a little nicer and smarter. So I ordered this shoe bag. Yeah. I like it. Okay, there is more. Oh, this, I hope it will, I use it. So, like I said, we are going to Japan in the hottest month. Ask me why did we book exactly this month? I will answer. Because I didn't know. When we were booking our Japan cruise, I had no idea about I didn't know much about Japan. I didn't know that it's the hottest month. I know it's hot in Toronto in August. Well, how more hot it could be? Yeah, it can be. And more hot and more humid. But we're still going. So this thing is to put underarm. So when you sweat, it absorbs the sweat. so my t-shirt is not gonna be all wet and you know, change color and stinky. So hopefully it will help for me. Not, you know, I want to look nice and not be stinky or, you know, sweaty. So hopefully this will work. I report after the cruise. More small things. Oh, okay. I ordered these little pouches. Keeping in mind that I will take with me my, beside that I don't have like things fully, I don't have many medication I have to take, but still I take lots of vitamins in a regular basis. So I'm thinking to take my vitamins with me, and instead of taking with me like little boxes, because this box just for 7 days, right? So I take the box with me, but I will need extra, right? So because we are going like for more like 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks, like back forth. So I ordered these little pouches, and I put here all my like daily vitamins. And so when I will be done with my, you know, weekly box, I will use this. They have like this nice zipper, and the, like, you know, useful little pouches. Don't take a lot of space, and they don't take a lot of weight. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh my God, again, one YouTuber inspired me. She said, when you are in an airplane, and if like you can sleep and you want to read something, and you know, it's dark everywhere, it's good to have light, your personal light. So I bought this LED light. And I think it's chargeable. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it works. See? So it's like has a holder, and it's like little book, like to read a book or something. Let's see, it has only one light. Oh yeah, it makes bright. Okay, 2 times brighter. Good. And see how small it is? Yay. I like that. See. Oh yeah, more jewelry. I ordered this hoop rings. You like it? Well, I have big rings right now. I have a big earring right now on me, but can you see? Can you like? Yeah, I like it. I like the shape and the size. Lovely. So far, so good. Almost everything. Almost. Oh yes, and of course I ordered the fan. Like I said, it's gonna be very, very hot. So I know there are lots of different fans, and if I don't like this one, I will buy something in Japan. No problem. And I am planning to buy in Japan like a, you know, hand fan. So this has like a little ventilator here, and here you add some water. So it's like it's gonna be mist coming out. So it should feel nice. So I report back after using it, and I'll let you know if I like it. But I like the idea. And it's small. See how small it is? And I think even if I don't have water, I think it's gonna be nice. Okay, let's see if it works, because sometimes it comes charged and sometimes it works. No, I need to charge it. It doesn't work. Yeah, I need to charge it, and it's chargeable. It's very important that you don't need a battery. Again, what is it? Oh yes, I know what is it. It's a hat. So I love hats, but hats not always love me. And look how nice. I ordered this hat because it packs into this pocket. Because I don't know if I always going to wear a hat in Japan or not, but it's good to have. And it has some extra ribbon or something. So let's see. Let's unpack this hat and see. They said it's like waterproof hat. Like, it feels very interesting. Look, it's like a regular, very, very thin material. I don't need like thick material when it's hot outside, that's for sure. Oh yeah, it has this special to tie underneath if it's like for windy. Oh. Okay, so what do you think? Am I like, it's a fashionable statement? Yes? Okay, it covers my face, it covers my head, and it doesn't take lots of space. So it even doesn't have special pocket because just put it upside down and basically you just fold it into itself. Let's see if I can do it. So I fold it and into itself inside, and yeah, and close it. Maybe it's not as pretty in it as it was before, but I did it. Yeah, look how small, not as flat. I need to practice. Yeah, but yeah, I'm happy. Okay, it was the last item. Yay! So, what do you think about my Temu haul? It's my travel Temu haul. So far, like, I'm happy, probably 90% happy. Yeah, I'm not very happy with the size of the hooks, and they lied about pressure compressing packing cubes. Oh, and I have just one towel. I need to check on it because I remember I was ordering. There was two. When I was ordering, it says two towels. So I have to check on that actually. But instead of the compressing cubes, I guess I can use this compressive bags. So yeah, I'll manage. I usually do because like I always tend to overpack, and I will overpack this time because, like I said, it's gonna be hot. We're gonna stay in Tokyo for a few days, then we're going on a cruise, and on a cruise, almost every day we have different cities to see and look around, and then we're gonna be inside the ship. I always want to dress up for the, like evening. So yeah. I have a big suitcase. It's not going to be heavy because it's mostly going to be light summer clothing. And by the way, if you look back on my previous video, all my like trying on Old Navy stuff and all that, it's also, I bought having in mind our coming cruise. So I bought some new stuff for the cruise as well. So, okay, that's a wrap. I got everything. I need to check on some stuff, but mostly, so I would say 80%, I'm happy. I'm happy with my pillow. I'm happy with my hat. I'm, like I said, 80%. I think I didn't forget anything, and I need to check on some things. But it's Temu. So, yeah. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you got some ideas for your packing, maybe for your traveling. Maybe you will say, oh yeah, maybe I need that too. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, please don't forget to subscribe and put like. I want to grow this channel and I will appreciate your help to let YouTube algorithm know that my channel is interesting and that people are watching, and I will keep posting. Okay, see ya.